If you have a saved report or data records that you view frequently, you may want to have them regularly delivered to you and anyone else you think could benefit from the insights that come from them. And you'll be able to configure delivery to any valid email addresses on the schedule and cadence that you want. This makes it a breeze to answer valuable questions like what time did each of your agents log in yesterday? Or how many calls did your group take? And how many calls abandoned last week? Just check your email and conveniently it's all right there. To schedule a report, navigate to the Saved Reports panel and select the report you'd like to configure for scheduled delivery. Each of the listed saved reports indicates the existence of a schedule on the top left corner of the title. If it has a gray schedule icon, then you have not configured a schedule for the report. And if this icon is illuminated blue, then you have whether you are configuring a new schedule or editing an existing one. By clicking on the More Options button in the top right corner of the title, you will see the option to send and schedule the report. You can also launch the model for scheduled email delivery setup by navigating to the desired report and clicking the Report Schedules button on the right side of the report's title bar. Here you have the option to send your report immediately or to schedule it for recurring delivery every Monday morning. I would like to see a summary overview of the workgroup and agents within the workgroup UT main. Let's say that I run this report frequently throughout the week to see how my agents are doing during the day. And sometimes I brag about my team to my superiors by sending them a quick email about it. I click the Send Now button, enter their email addresses, enter a subject and quick message and send it off. When it comes to creating the schedule for the report, we can configure it to deliver every Monday at 7 a.m. so that I can review it first thing while sipping on my coffee. We can set the format and orientation of the report, the time of day that we would like it sent, and the recurrence whether every day on the first of the month on specified days of the week or specified days of each month. I have chosen days of the week and selected Monday. As of now, the report is built with stats for today. Since I look at them at random throughout the week, I don't want every Monday's call records to be delivered every Monday morning. However, I want the previous week's stats to be delivered. Whether you are simply emailing the report or configuring a report schedule, the applicable report filters here function independently of those on the saved report itself, so we can adjust the date filter to a relative filter type and adjust the time span to the last 7 days. I don't need today to be included, so I'll uncheck that and click the check on the top right corner to confirm the filter changes. Once we have everything dialed in, we can put in a brief message to indicate what kind of information and insights can be found in the report. Fill in the subject field and check the box to include the date and time in the subject. Indicate the email addresses that we want it to deliver to regularly, and click Save Now. I can still frequent my report for the daily call metrics while having the weekly summary delivered separately every Monday morning.